Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
We'll let you turn it off.
Nathan kill in 3, 2, 1. Dead. Alright.
Dad.
Turn it back on. So do you do it? They do it.
I did it when he was in too.
Yeah. Well, so that's what fun. If someone is driving it and they start driving like an idiot, you can turn it off. It works.
The switch
It
works.
also makes it to where when the controller turns on, that the engines are safe off.